everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get shaders and optimize your game more for faster performance while playing Minecraft. Let's get started. First, you need to visit the website in the description and go to optifine.net. Then, you need to head to downloads and choose your version, which you can find here. Then, when you found your version, let's say 1.19.4, you click on mirror and then download. Then search Microsoft OpenJDK. Find OpenJDK down here. I will also put a link in the description. Download this and run it. Then once you've downloaded it, you need to use it to install Microsoft JDK. Click Next, Next again, and then Install. It might ask you for a permission. Press Allow or Yes. Wait for the installation to complete. Once you're done with that, you should be able to run the Optifine installer by just double-clicking on it. Then you'll see a window pop up. Ensure that this is the right directory and press Install. Wait a couple seconds until it says Optifine is successfully installed. Then open Minecraft Launcher once more. Once you've done it, you should see a new Optifine version. Click on that and press play. Now that we're in the game, check if this is here, where it says modded. If it is, then congrats, you've successfully installed Optifine. Let's head to Options, Video Settings, Shaders, and let's click on this download button. It will open up a web page filled with shader packs. Choose from one of these shader packs and download it from website, CurseForge, or ModRip. GitHub and Patreon will most likely have you pay. Now that you've chosen one, I'm going to use Copilot 13 High Performance since it doesn't need a good computer and it still looks really good. Let's head to CurseForge or the website. Then we'll head down here and find your version. Then you click on this and click on download. Don't click on install or else that'll make you download an app that we don't need. Now that you've downloaded it, you should be able to see it in your downloads. Next, show Minecraft again, but this time instead of clicking on the download button, press the shaders folder button. It should open up a folder with almost nothing in it. It shouldn't look like this, so just ignore that for now. Then, take your shader and drag it into this directory. If it says it already has a file, press replace. There we go. You should see your shader now in the folder, and when you click on it, it will swap to that shader. And now, you can enjoy shaders in Minecraft. As you can see, the shaders are working great, and they look awesome. I hope you enjoyed this video. It didn't take too long to make, but I've been thinking about making more technology and tutorial style videos, as that seems to make a lot of views. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoy my shorts content, I'll still be making that type of content. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!